Hey there, it's like what, the 14th of January, and we've got the whole interior enclosed, including the ceiling decked with half-inch plywood, and we've got all our fluorescent lights hung and working. And then what? Outside here we got the front all closed in. And we've got our other sconce wired up. And we're over here on this side now. And getting ready to start building the carport. Alright. Yep. Everything. Got 3 sides closed in completely and the interior closed in. What we gotta do next? We gotta wrap the inside of the skylight with this, what is this? Revolution Ply Patriot Prime Moisture Shield Coating. Contains no tropical hardwoods. Try that. Just skin the interior that way it looks pretty on the inside of the skylight there. Alright, that's what we're doing. Thanks for watching, and we'll continue soon.